If you've come this far, it's because you're looking for a meditation that helps you sleep better and brings positive changes to your life. And we're here to help. We know that the quality of sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. And meditation can be an excellent ally in the search for tranquility. That's why we've prepared a special meditation for you, who want a peaceful and transformative night's sleep. Before we begin, find a quiet and peaceful place where you can feel comfortable and relaxed. You can sit or lie down, whichever you prefer, as long as you're comfortable. The meditation for sleep that we've prepared has the theme of positive changes, because we believe that it's possible to transform our lives for the better, even while we sleep. So let's begin. Let's start this meditation by allowing your body and mind to calm down. Gently close your eyes. If you have come this far, it is because you are looking for a meditation that will help you sleep better and bring positive changes to your life. And we are here to help. We know that the quality of sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, and meditation can be an excellent ally in the search for tranquility. That's why we have prepared a special meditation for you, who want a peaceful and transformative night's sleep. Before we begin, find a quiet and peaceful place where you can feel comfortable and relaxed. You can sit or lie down, whichever you prefer, as long as you are comfortable. The meditation we have prepared for sleeping has the theme of positive changes, as we believe that it is possible to transform our lives for the better even while we sleep. So, let's get started. Let's begin this meditation by allowing your body and mind to calm down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nose, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. Feel your abdomen expand as you hold the air within you for a few seconds. And then, release the air through your mouth, exhaling slowly while releasing all the tensions accumulated in your body. Focus on your breathing and feel how it brings life to your body and mind. Repeat this process several times, feeling your body relax more and more with each breath. And with each exhalation, allow yourself to leave behind any worries or tension that may be hindering your well-being. Breathing is a powerful tool to calm the mind and bring balance to your body. Allow yourself to experience this feeling of peace and tranquility as you breathe deeply. Now, let's direct our meditation to the theme of positive changes in your life. This is a moment of reflection and visualization. So allow yourself to enter a state of openness and receptivity to receive new ideas and inspirations. Start visualizing a scene that represents a positive change in your life. It can be a professional achievement or a personal goal that you have been longing to accomplish. A happy relationship, a dream trip, anything you desire. Imagine this scene in detail, feel the emotions it evokes in you, and allow yourself to feel the joy and gratitude for this achievement. Now, let's delve even deeper into this visualization and imagine experiencing this positive change in your life. Feel the emotion and happiness that this achievement brings to you. Notice all the details of this scene, from the colors to the sounds, smells, and physical sensations. See yourself in a moment of success, achieving something you always wanted. Notice the people around you, how they see and recognize you for your effort and dedication. Feel the positive energy that this achievement brings to your life and to the lives of those around you. Let this scene unfold in your mind, allowing yourself to feel all the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that this change brings to you. Let this feeling fill your entire being, knowing that this is a possible and achievable reality for you. This visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting positive changes in your life. When you connect with the feeling of success and happiness, you create a powerful energy that can attract these same things to your life. So, allow yourself to feel this sensation with all your heart, knowing that this is a reality that can become concrete for you. Now, while visualizing this scene, repeat some positive affirmations mentally, such as, "I deserve to be happy and achieve my dreams." "I am capable of achieving everything I desire." "I trust in my ability to change my life for the better." Now that you have connected with your breath and visualized a positive scene in your mind, it's time to completely relax your body. Let the tensions of the day dissipate and allow yourself to enter a state of deep relaxation. Start with your feet. Feel how they are supported by the ground and focus all your attention in that region. Feel the tension leaving your toes and the muscles of the sole of your foot. Now, let this sensation of relaxation rise up through your ankles, calves, and knees, allowing yourself to feel each muscle relaxing and surrendering to relaxation. Focus now on your hips, belly, and lower back. Allow yourself to release all the tension accumulated in these areas of your body. Let your abdominal muscles relax. Feel your breath flowing freely, bringing life and vitality to your body. Continue up your spine, allowing each vertebra to shift smoothly and relax completely. Feel the tensions in your shoulders being released, leaving your arms loose and heavy. Now, Continue to relax through your arms and hands, feeling your fingers unclenching and your hands relaxing completely. Finally, reach your head. Feel the muscles of your forehead relaxing. Allow your eyelids to gently close, and let your eyes surrender to rest. Allow your lips to relax and your jaw to loosen, without any tension. At this moment, you are completely relaxed. Feel at peace, in a state of deep relaxation and tranquility. Now, at the end of the meditation, it is time to express your gratitude for the positive change that is coming in your life. Allow the energy of gratitude and appreciation to fill your entire being, and feel the tranquility and serenity that come with this feeling. Thank the people who are part of your life, for the opportunities that present themselves every day, and for all the blessings you receive daily. Allow this gratitude to accompany you during sleep, and be sure that your life is transforming for the better every day. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and know that you deserve all the good things that life has to offer. May this meditation help you sleep peacefully and wake up with the certainty that a positive change is on its way. We hope that this meditation helps you sleep better and brings positive changes to your life. Remember to practice regularly, as meditation is a daily practice that brings long-term benefits. I wish you a peaceful and blessed night's sleep.